Hi, everybody. This is just a little bit of help for you on part 2 of your Economic Freedom Group project. So at this point, you would have chosen your 4 different countries that you're going to work with, and now we're actually going to do a little bit more research about them. So when you open up this file, it is going to have this graph laid out for you, this chart laid out for you. So over here, we're going to record your country. So I'm just going to put in Germany for a quick example. And then you can see as you go across that there are 6 different data points that we're going to be looking for. I want to make sure you know where you can find those pretty easy today. So I'm going to come on over, and I followed my link to my Index of Economic Freedom. So that's what I'm going to be looking at on this slide. Let me just move that over so you can see it. All right, so that's what I'm going to be looking at right here. I want to make sure that I'm in the section that is country rankings. So I'm going to be in country rankings right here. And then the first thing that I want to take a look at is it's asking me, how did my country rank? So it's really kind of talking about what their economy is like. So I'm working with Germany, and I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to notice that when I scroll down, I'm going to be able to see that they go from the most free to the least free. And I'm going to notice that it kind of goes in different shades of green down to yellow. So the countries underneath of this bright green are going to be right here that are free. After that, if they have a score between 70 and 79.9, they're going to be mostly free. And then I'm going to be able, as you can imagine, scroll down, and then it gets less and less and less. So right over here on your activity, when we were asking you the type of economy they have, we would record that right in here. So let's see where Germany ends up. We could scroll through and look at it like that. Oh, actually, here it is. Okay, so here's Germany. It's at 72.5, and I'm going to scroll up just a little bit, and I can see that it's mostly free. So I'm going to come on over, and right here, I'm going to enter mostly free. My other data points that I'm looking for are going to be very easy to find. So when I'm back over here on my country rankings, I'm going to come up, and I could just click on Germany since I found it, but I can also come up to the search bar. I can put in Germany, and then when it comes up, you're going to be able to see it right over here on the left-hand side. And when I scroll down just a little bit, I'm going to have these quick facts right over here. So these quick facts are going to be my answers that I was looking for Germany. And I'm going to be able to flip back over and record those right here in this table. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please make sure you let me know. Have a great day.